You guys can see me because this is the only space where I can unbox this before. So the juice has to go in here. So hey guys, good morning. So in this video I'm going to try and unbox some of these household gadgets. That starts with the juicer, because that's what I'm going to use today. So this is the juicer. I want to use it this morning because I want to juice watermelon and pineapple. This is from Rite-Tek, so I'm going to like unbox it. Let's see what it looks like. You guys can see me because this is the only space where I can unbox this. So I think this is the manual in case I want to learn how to operate it. Area. So I don't know if I'm opening it the right way. I think okay. I think I'm opening it the right way. But so I'm going to try to pull it out from here. This is very heavy. It's very, very heavy. Okay, so I'm going to drop the carton. I don't want you guys to just be seeing my face. I wanted you guys to be seeing what I'm unboxing. So I think this is the place where you get your juice in. This is where the juice enters whenever you're like juicing something. I think this is the cover. I don't know what this brush is. I'm going to figure out what it is. So I'm going to just cover this. And this is the machine this is the juicer. So this was wrapped in a way that it is actually so guys, this is the juicer. This is from Rite-Tek. This is the I think that this is where the juice goes. So it is from this brand. So we got it for juicer is 123,890. That's what we got it for. 123,890. Just in case you're looking for a juicer that might be affordable. I don't know if this is affordable, but then if you compare other brands and this is affordable, you can also get it. So that's how much we got the juicer. I'm going to like read the manual a bit. Oh, so this is where we'll have to put our fruits in to press it down so that it can blend. I see. So the chaff goes in here and the juice comes out here. So I'm going to try to blend watermelon and pineapple that I cut yesterday. Hey guys, I'm still reading the manuals so that I don't make mistakes. Okay, so I'm done reading the manual to how to use this. So I'm going to slice the fruits that I want to use and use the item that I love so much I got from the mall is this wooden tray. So I think I'm going to wash it because it was used yesterday so that I can use it to like put the fruits that I want to juice, or I think I should use something else, but I wanted to show you guys this tray. It's so pretty. So I'm going to remove all the nylons after reading I'm going to remove all the nylons. So this is all we have here. Like I said, I don't know what this brush is for, but I'm going to figure it out. So this is covered like this. Oh, I got it. So this is where this is. I think I'm supposed to act. Did not see what I did before. In case you did not see what I did before, so the juice has to go in here. I'm going to put the fruits here and, you know, squeeze it with this. So this is where the shaft goes, and then when I'm done, I think I'm going to dismantle and clean. So this watermelon does not look like it will be sweet, and I told this man to give me the one that will be sweet. Let me just have a taste. Okay, just there. For me to wash it, I have to learn how to dismantle it. So I tried this and this, then okay, so I have to wash this place and this before I start putting in any juice, any fruit. I don't know if this is washable. I don't know if I can detach it, but I'm going to figure it out later, or probably just rinse it. I don't know. You know what, I'm thinking that this brush is used for washing inside that place that you place the fruits. That's what I'm thinking. But then let's wash this before we start juicing anything. I have to get So I lost the sound footage of this part, but what I was basically doing was that I was trying to plug the juicer to the electricity, because it uses electricity to function, and I have to do this and make sure that my hand is dry while doing it so that there will be no shock incidents. So I have to plug it to electricity and, you know, make sure it's properly plugged, and also, you know, this is the control button that I can either increase the juicing or reduce it from there. So but it's good to start from the from one, which is the lowest. And also, from the manual, I was advised to blend in the fruit with high fiber first, and out of all the fruits I'm blending today, pineapple has the highest fiber, so I have to blend it first before watermelon and apple. Not blending, dicey blending, squeezing. I had to squeeze the juice out first before squeezing the pineapple, the watermelon, and the apple. And I just like the way it squeezes the juice, like everything, it squeezes all the juice out and pushes the shaft to the other end. And you know, that's basically it. So if you have money and you like this kind of juicer, someone that has stopped taking soda for a long time, I switched it to, this is my excitement after, you know, I got what I wanted. I've switched taking soda with fresh juice. So I'm going to pour the juice here and look for another juice to make. Oh, this is too, let me pour it from here. Okay. Oh, pineapple juice, fresh pineapple juice. So I'm going to rinse it because it's too concentrated. I'm going to rinse this with water, and I'm going to, yep, this is my fresh pineapple juice. I'm going to cover and freeze. So cheers. So this is apple juice. Apple juice. So this is the last juice that I extracted, and that is about the juicing for today. So guys, I have to separate it to clean it, so I'm going to clean it off camera. If I did not record everything, if you have anything to ask me in the comments. So guys, remember when we were unboxing it, I said that I saw this brush and I don't know what it's for, but I think the brush is for these particles here. So while washing it, I'll use the brush to remove the fruit particles that is stuck on this blender. Instead of washing it with my hand, so that's what this brush is for, just to remove this thing, so I don't have to wash it with a sponge. I just have to use the brush to remove this.